Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to publish your website to Weebly. Whether you've just finished designing your first site or you're ready to make updates live, publishing is the crucial final step that makes your work visible to the world. Let's walk through this process together. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites and settings. Now, take a look at the left menu panel. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it to expand your website management options. Directly beneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll access all the sites associated with your account. A list of your websites will appear, allowing you to choose which one you want to work with. Select the website you'd like to publish, then look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see an Edit button next to your chosen site. Click on it to open the editor. You're now on the editor page of your website where all your design and content tools are located. This is where the magic happens. To publish your site, look up to the upper right corner of the screen. Find and click the Publish button. This action initiates the process of making your website live. At this point, Weebly will give you options regarding your domain. If you already own a domain name and want to use it for this website, you can click Connect or Transfer it now. This will display several fields for you to fill in with your existing domain information, allowing you to link your custom domain to your Weebly site. If you don't have a domain yet, you'll need to select a new domain name. Simply type your desired domain name into the search field and click Search. Weebly will check availability and show you which domains are ready to register. You'll see a list of available domains that match or are similar to what you searched for. Browse through the options, and when you find one that fits your needs, click Choose beside that domain. This selection tells Weebly which domain you want to use for your website. After choosing your domain, the system will proceed to the payment page where you can complete your domain purchase and finalize your website's publication. And that's it. You've successfully published your website to Weebly, making it accessible to visitors worldwide. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.